Ciao, I'm Fabrizio Corti, product specialist at La Marzocco. Today I would like to guide you through the cleaning procedure and maintenance of the La Marzocco Gs3. To clean the Gs3 you would need the blind filter, the La Marzocco cleaning product and the screwdriver. First you would need to remove the portafilter and switch the filter inside of it with the blind filter. Then you would need to take a little bit of the La Marzocco cleaning product and put it in the portafilter. You attach back the portafilter, and to start the cleaning cycle you would need to press the first and fifth button on the keypad of your Gs3. The machine would stop automatically once the cleaning cycle has come to an end. This would take approximately 1 minute and a half. One thing you can do after the cleaning cycle has come to an end is remove the portafilter and use the La Marzocco Home small brush to clean the group head, just like this. One thing you have to do now is remove the shower screen and put it alongside the portafilter, the diffuser screen and the filter in an empty bowl. You can remove the diffuser screen using the special screwdriver that is made in this way so that you don't run the risk of burning your fingers once you have removed the diffuser screen. Now that you have removed the diffuser screen, you can put it in the bowl. Then you can take off the blind filter and put the filter and the portafilter in the bowl. Once you have your parts in the bowl, you can fill it with the hot water. You add a little bit of the cleaning products with all the parts. As you can see, it will immediately dissolve in water. Let rest for around 20 minutes, then you rinse everything and you put everything back in place. Now that everything is clean, we put it back in place. The diffuser screen, you can use your finger to start to screw it, and then you just remove the cup from the screwdriver and you use it as a screwdriver to tighten it up. Then you put back the filter into the portafilter and you're ready to enjoy another espresso or a cappuccino from your Gs3. However, once or twice per year you might also need to replace the gasket or the shower screen with the diffuser screen, because these are consumable parts that wear off with time. So now I'm gonna show you how you can do that with just the use of this tool and of the screwdriver with the cup that you can always use to avoid burning your fingers. First thing you would need to do is, of course, removing the portafilter. Then use the screwdriver with the cup to remove the shower screen without burning your fingers. To ease the procedure, you can remove the grid from the drain tray. And then with the gasket pick, you can take off the gasket. You take the new one that, as you see, is much softer than the worn one. Always remember that this part will go up, so the part with this small channel here is facing up. You put it back in place. Mind that this part is hot if the machine is on, so you can use the gasket pick from this side to help the fitting of the gasket. Another trick that you can use is the portafilter to properly fit in place the gasket. Now you can take the new shower with the screw and put it back in place. Always you can start with your finger, then remove the cap from the screwdriver and use it to tighten it up. Put back the drip tray, lock it back in place, portafilter back in, and now not only your machine is clean, but all the consumable parts has been changed, so you know that the next espresso you will taste will just be the perfect one. Thank you for being with us today and see you in the next episode. Ciao!
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.